Hello, art lovers. Lala Sparks here again. I found this mold and it's a jar. I think I've seen a couple people use it and I wanted to try it and see if I could use it as another encouragement piece of art. So I have my gold or like a bronzy color that I mixed with bronze and brown. I don't know what I was doing, guys. I was just experimenting and I came up with this beautiful looking brownish, goldish color. So I've put the glitter and I've put the brownish color and I've put the glitter again. And it's my pink chunky glitter mixed with tiny pieces of glitter. Pink, I find that pink looks so beautiful in resin and I don't know if I love pink, but I love it in resin. Let's put it that way. So while I'm making this piece, of course, I'm thinking, it's such a tiny piece. What am I going to put on it? It's a little jar. You can store like any kind of thing that you will store. Resin is always, most of the time, once it cures, you can put anything in. So, I ran out of resin. So I had to go mix new resin. I decided, okay, I'm gonna just do clear glitter this time since I already have really strong colors going, right? So I came in here with clear pink glitter for the bottom. Kind of wish that that was the top, but it ended up being the bottom. So I am making sure that it's all the way to the bottom of I don't have any like holes or whatever. I'm shaking it to make sure that all the resin gets to the bottom of my molds. Okay. Sticking that popsicle stick in it, making sure that it's all the way at the bottom. I like how glitter looks. I'm called Lala Sparks for a reason, guys. I love glitter, love sparkle. It's because of my love for sparkle that I went with Lala Sparks. Lala Sparkle was the name I wanted to go with before, but here it is, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful jar, unmolded. But the glitter was not like enough for me because I felt like the glitter was in the mid, was like at inside and at the bottom. So when I look at the jar, I want to see more glitter. At this time, I'm thinking, okay, what am I gonna put on it to encourage someone who wants to buy this jar and have it in their kitchen or in their home. I want every piece of art that I make going forward to speak to someone. So while I'm admiring it, I'm thinking, okay, Laura, put something on it and rise up. Rise up. Rise up was something I used for another piece of art that I did in another video. And I decided I'm going to use it for this one. So I used UV resin, put it under the UV light. And I decided I wanted more glitter. I hope you guys love it. Talk soon.